In today's video, I am going to teach you how to skip people in an automation active campaign. This is useful when you want certain contacts to bypass a section of your automation and jump ahead to a later step based on something that is true about them, like having a specific tag. The cleanest way to do this in Activecampaign is by adding a condition and using the yes path as your shortcut to a later point in the workflow. Start by going to the left sidebar and clicking Automations. Find the automation you want to update. Then choose the option to edit that workflow. Once you are inside the automation builder, take a moment to locate the exact step you want people to skip. The condition needs to sit right before the part you want to bypass, so contacts can be routed away before they enter it. Next, click the plus icon directly above the step you want to skip. This opens the action menu where you can choose what to add. From the options, select Conditions and Workflow. You are going to add a condition that checks for a tag. When the condition settings appear, set it to Contact Has Tag. Choose the tag you will use to identify the people who should skip ahead. Then click OK to save that condition. At this point, your automation will split into paths, typically a yes path and a no path. The yes path is for contacts who have that tag, and the no path is for everyone else. Under the yes path, click the plus icon again and select Conditions and Workflow. This is where you set up the jump forward. You will see a connector arrow that can be used to route contacts to another step. Now drag that connector arrow down to the step further along in the automation where you want those tagged contacts to land. Make sure you connect it to the correct step so they rejoin the workflow exactly where you intend and they do not miss anything important after that point. Finally, once you have confirmed the flow looks right, switch the automation back to active so your change goes live. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.